In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to the print layout and enable multiple pages view in Microsoft Word. This simple yet powerful feature can enhance your document editing experience by allowing you to view your work in a more traditional and print-ready format. Let's start by navigating to the top of your Microsoft Word interface, where you'll find the menu bar. Here, you should notice several tabs lined up neatly, each representing different functionalities. Our focus today will be on the View tab. So, go ahead and click on the View tab to open it up. Once you've done that, you'll see a group labeled Views within the View tab. Among the available options, make sure that Print Layout is selected. Now, what exactly does Print Layout do? Essentially, this view provides a more precise representation of how your document will appear when printed. It's a handy way to make sure everything looks spot on before hitting that print button. Engaging the print layout will offer a comprehensive look at your layouts, like headers, footers, and other components of your document that are crucial for your final output. Next, let's move on to enabling multiple pages view. This feature is particularly beneficial if you're working on a multi-page document because it allows you to see your pages side by side, which can help with arranging your content and recognizing how your document flows from one page to the next. To activate this, we're staying within the View tab, but shifting our attention to the Zoom group. Here, look for an option that says Multiple Pages. Give it a click. Now, you might wonder what exactly happens when you select multiple pages. Well, it essentially maximizes your screen space by displaying 2 or more pages at once. The number of pages shown side by side will depend on both your screen size and your zoom level. Adjusting these settings accordingly can offer you the ideal view that fits your workflow, whether you're on a widescreen monitor or a laptop. Viewing multiple pages simultaneously can be incredibly valuable for reviewing the entire document layout, ensuring consistency, and even proofreading for errors you might have missed when viewing a single page at a time. It's like having a digital proofreader that lets you see the big picture and the finer details all at once. So, there you have it. A straightforward guide on how to switch to print layout and enable multiple pages view in Microsoft Word. Mastering these views will make your document editing more efficient and your final product more refined. Thanks for watching, and feel free to drop any questions or comments you might have below. Happy editing!